In this video we see how to use the zoom box feature on the TI-84. Suppose we want to draw a graph of a parabola. Here on my GeoGebra window I have this a good graph of a parabola. The reason it's a good graph is because I can see clearly the x-intercept, the y-intercept and the location of the vertex. And there's no part of the graph which is, no part of the x-axis which is not informative. Now sometimes when you draw a graph on your calculator it can look something like this. Why that's a less helpful graph than one we were just looking at is we see for this region of the x-axis it's empty, so it's not very helpful, and this region of the x-axis again it's empty, and this region in the middle you could perhaps describe as a little overcrowded. And so we're going to look and see what the zoom box does. What it allows for us to do is to select a rectangular region of the graph, and when we select that region, that box becomes our new window. So let's do that on the calculator. I've typed in the graph x squared minus x minus 2. When I look at my graph, I've got a graph that's in the middle of the screen. This area of the x-axis is not informative, and also down here there's nothing going on here, so I want to make the picture better. I'll select the zoom menu and I'll select zoom box, which is the first entry there, and it will ask me to put the cursor in the first, for example the bottom left location, then the top right, and press enter. Now I'm ready to press enter, and that box which I selected will be the new screen that we see on the calculator. There we have an improved version of the graph we were previously looking at.